right. So here's Northern Elevator. It's my next service call. Now listen as we go down the hoistway. You hear that? That's a problem. I'll show you what's up. Okay, so here's your ECI clutch. This is what grabs the hull doors, right? I was showing these before, but the noise we're hearing is this hitting the, I don't know if you can see, those are the rollers, right? This is hitting the back one. This white wheel, if you watch as I roll it, it's changing. See that? There's a really bad flat spot on here on the inside that works, again, like I've showed before on a GAL one. This here that operates this. I got new ones of these, so I will go get one and we'll take this apart and switch it out. Okay, so like before I show you taking it apart, I rolled that the white roller, right? We're at the top, we're gonna go down, listen. So as we're flying by the floors, you don't hear it again, right? So that tells me for sure that it's that little white roller on the clutch. I got that though, so I'll show you replacing that. All right, so I got the new roller here. And I have this piece here just in case. This one might be dinged up, but usually it's just the roller. So this is a little different than the GAL. You gotta remove this, it'll open up, and I believe there's 4 springs on this one that I gotta be real careful with. So let me open it up and I'll show you when I have it open and take off the old white roller. Okay, so removing these tabs opens this part, which has 2 springs here and here. And then to get this piece out, you have to loosen this, drop it down so this roller can clear. Now again, I don't know if you can see that. See that flat spot there? That's what doesn't allow this to retract all the way back, because it's working off of this. When the door opens up, it moves this, which moves this little cam on that roller, which controls this, I believe, if I'm explaining that correctly. But just need to pop this clip off and should have it back together here in a second. Okay, so you can see it's all the way back. I didn't replace this, made sure that's tightened up, and actually someone previously had made that black mark there, so hopefully I don't have to adjust that again. But that's it. The old flat spot on the roller on a ECI door clutch. Thanks for watching.